reality of putting on headband wigs. What's up, Rose fam, and hi to my new friends. My name is Rosina Fame, and on this channel we do everything. We sing, we dance, we showcase our sense of style, and today we are gonna be doing a wig review. So I know y'all probably wondering, like, girl, why you got this do-rag on your head? So I actually twist my hair and braided it last night, and this is just to like hold it down. So I'm gonna actually take it off for y'all so we can put this wig cap on and get this wig review started. But yes, just twist it and all that stuff. This is the package, y'all. I had this wig, this is brand new, I never opened it, but I literally purchased this wig I think before Christmas or after Christmas, like before my birthday, which is January. So yeah, I had this wig for a while and I've been meaning to do this wig review for you guys, so I'm happy that I'm able to do it today. And so literally, I told y'all I got this for Christmas. Look at what they got inside here. A little cute gift. So I'm just gonna open the goodies before we look at the hair. And so this is the package. Yes, we're gonna see what's inside. Right here we got a headband. This is cute. It reminds me of like cotton candy. Cute headband. Oh, we got a wig craft. Yes, I'm about to use one of them too. To be honest, so might as well just get a wig cap from here. And that's what we gonna do. Okay, y'all, so I got my wig cap on, and now we about to open the hair. This is how it's packaged really well, and I'm about to take this hair out and see what it is working with. Okay. All right, now, so this is how it is in the net, y'all. It's in the black net. You guys can see right here, and I'm going to take it out of the net. And for those of you wondering like why they always have it in a net, is because it keeps the hair nice and secure and kind of fresh. And y'all look, it came with another headband, and guys, this headband look like it's gonna match my outfit. Oh, excited. But yes, this is the hair, y'all. I took it out the net, and look, she is moving. Y'all already know I love when wigs move, so I am so excited, and I'm about to put it on for y'all, so keep watching. Before I put it on, I gotta tell you guys the construction of it. So it has like 4 combs. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and then you have 1 right here, and then you have the part that you like strap and put it on so you can put the wig on. And we about to put the wig on, so let's get it. All right, so like I said, if you ever seen my other headband review, I just put it on like it's a hat. Simple as that. I put it on like it is a hat, y'all. And yeah, pretty much that's all I do. That's all I do, y'all. So yeah, let me just, oh, some of the hair just got out my lip a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see, but it got on my lip a little bit, but it's okay. The reality of putting on headband. So I fixed my earring and I strapped it in the back, and now I'm gonna pull this up, push it a little back a little bit so you can like see my natural hair as well, so I can go with it, basically look natural. But this is how it's looking. Let me show you guys the length of it. I got this in a 22-inch, y'all. Literally, I got this in a 22-inch, and it's pretty long, and I'm like 5'8", 5'9", and it's pretty long, y'all. So if you're shorter than that, you could probably get a different length. But oh my gosh, look at this. Oh yeah. Oh, I love this. This is definitely a little different. I never like had like a black type natural wig, it's always been like highlighted or colored. So I'm really feeling this right now. Now we're gonna try the headbands on with it. You know, the one that's gonna match my outfit. It's like Unice know when I'm gonna do these reviews, you know that I have something to match it, like they sidekick or something. They're doing good so far because I'm loving this hair. It's nice and soft. I'm liking the texture. This is so different for me though. Like I always have color, so I'm like, I don't know. Like I'm feeling it, but I'm like, is y'all feeling it? I don't know. But I'm gonna put the headband on for y'all so y'all can see. Y'all already know it's probably gonna mess up my shirt, and that is fine. It's the reality. I'm showing y'all how it is. I'm putting on these headband wigs. So yeah. Just gonna put this up here on that black part so I can like cover the black part so you won't see it. I believe you can't see it. I'm not sure. Can you see it? Yeah, I think we good. I think we are good. And yes, this hair, I tell you what, it's long and it does get in my face, no lie. It's getting in my face, like, but it's natural hair, so I don't know. Well, not natural hair, but it's real hair, y'all. It's human hair wig. But yeah, so this is how it's looking and I love it. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay. All right. It's flowing all together. I love it. Y'all, let me know in the comments what y'all think about this wig. I'm gonna provide the link down below so y'all can see. And yeah, see if y'all want to get this headband wig or any other headband wigs. I definitely will provide it in the link below. Okay y'all, so looking back at this video, I couldn't help but notice that my headband didn't cover the whole black part. So just to reassure you guys that the headband does basically cover the back part, I just fixed it and I opened it up for you guys so you guys can see, just in case anyone's new here and don't know about the headband wigs and wanted to know if the headband fits and covers the black part. It does. It does. I like my hair. I like my hair. What am I doing? I'm just saying, so let's get into this because I like my hair. I like my hair. Unice got me looking so good. Yay. Let me stop. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one.